Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Dogecoin's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right around this area, and the idea was that this is kind of a slow and choppy move on the upside, and I said if we get another move down, that will be very normal, and from these areas we can expect a relatively strong bounce back in Doge in case that we are dealing with a bullish possibility, indicating the final low maybe is already in. So what happened? We didn't actually get a move down, and from here we got, I would say, a relatively strong move on the upside. But question is, should we right now be 100% bullish and call this point our final bottom in Dogecoin? In my opinion, not yet. Why is that? Let's go around here. Okay, so you see, if you want to argue, we're gonna have our final low around here. Let's say this is like a very important support. Then okay, off of the lowest low in this region, you need to be able to find a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on the upside. This specific example is a normal 5 wave. Rules for it are, we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of impulsive movement, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave. And for our sub waves, you know the deal, 5 wave up into wave 1, 3, and 5. Let's actually change the colors to maybe red so you can see the structure is a bit better. There we go. And for wave 2 and 4, we can have many different possibilities. It's not really that important. Let's say, yeah, maybe like a WXY into our wave 4 and an ABC structure into wave 2. Understood? Okay, now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening in Dogecoin in the short term. So assuming that you want to argue the final low is already in, then okay, we talked about this structure before. This can be a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, and followed by that, now I can say it with quite a bit more confidence that starting from this high, we are having in this phase down an A, B, C in form of a flat structure, and well, on a higher degree, so far I can say maybe this is just a one correction for wave 2, and if we are bullish at the moment, we can say this move on the upside is on its way to complete the sub waves for a wave 3, and then we need to see a correction for another move up into wave 5. As long as I'm not seeing this thing in Doge, I really cannot be bullish with a lot of confidence. And for example, if after a very small continuation of the move up, I see like a very strong move down in order to take this level, okay, at that point, this is going to be, from my point of view at least, just a simple A, B, C zigzag and not an impulse, indicating our final low, more likely than not, is not in yet. So for now, sure, we are going according to the bullish possibility, but right now, I think we need to be a bit patient and also a bit careful, because right in here, there is a very important resistance area between, let's say, 18.5 to about 19.5, 20 cents. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to wait a bit more and see this move up continuing a bit more in order to successfully go back above this region and stay there, meaning we have a pullback and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. If I see this structure, at that point, I'm going to talk bullish in Doge with quite a lot of confidence. For now, sure, this move up can be considered as a very optimistic sign, but from my point of view, it's not enough yet. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Dogecoin's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.